If you find yourself locked out of your Wells Fargo account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Contact customer service. Call Wells Fargo's customer service at the number provided on their website or on your bank statements. Explain your situation and request assistance in regaining access to your account. Step 2. Verify your identity. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. This may include providing personal information such as your social security number, account number, or details of recent transactions. Step 3. Follow instructions. Follow the instructions given by the customer service representative. They may guide you through resetting your password or unlocking your account. Make sure to take notes if necessary. Step 4. Update security features. Once you regain access, update your security features. Change your password to a strong, unique one and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Step 5. Monitor your account. After regaining access, regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity. Report any suspicious transactions immediately to Wells Fargo to ensure your account remains secure. By following these steps, you can successfully regain access to your Wells Fargo account and enhance its security. Always stay vigilant about your account activity to prevent future issues.